In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Agoda booking ID in just a few easy steps. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone planning a trip for the first time, knowing how to quickly access your booking information on Agoda will certainly make your experience smoother and more organized. To begin, let's head straight to the Agoda dashboard. When you first log in, your dashboard acts as the main hub for all your booking-related activities. Now, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the profile icon. It's quite straightforward, but it might not pop out at you right away, especially if you're new to the platform. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. Once you've clicked the profile icon, you should see a menu unfold with various options designed to personalize and manage your Agoda account. Here, you're going to want to select the My Trips option. It's worth noting that My Trips is essentially the command center for all your travel arrangements on Agoda. From here, you can manage both upcoming journeys as well as those you've already completed or even those that you had to cancel. This feature is particularly handy if you've booked multiple accommodations or if you're planning trips over an extended period of time. In the My Trips section, you'll notice it's divided into three clear categories: upcoming, completed, and canceled. Let's break these down a bit. The Upcoming tab is where you'll find all the reservations you have lined up. It's perfect for checking all the essential details about your soon-to-be adventures. On the other hand, the Completed section gives you a detailed log of your past trips. This can be useful for referencing previous travel plans or even just reminiscing about your journey. Lastly, the Canceled tab keeps track of any bookings you had to opt out of, which is excellent if you ever need to revisit or reconsider a previously canceled trip. At this point, to check your Agoda booking ID, you'll want to focus on the relevant tab depending on the status of your booking. For instance, if you're curious about an upcoming trip, click on the Upcoming tab. Once there, scan through the list of entries and click on the specific booking you're interested in. Upon doing so, you'll see the detailed booking information where your Agoda booking ID will be prominently displayed along with other pertinent booking details. Having easy access to your booking ID not only helps in managing your travels efficiently, but also comes in handy should you need to communicate with Agoda's customer service or your chosen accommodation. So, there you have it. A simple, straightforward way to check your Agoda booking ID, ensuring you stay organized and stress-free during your travel adventures. Happy traveling!